Good morning, students. So today we read in grammar class that different pronoun and their types. Already we have read about different types of pronoun: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, emphatic pronoun. So after that, now we read about noun pronoun agreement. So what agreement? So there is a link between noun and pronoun. Achha. So what is pronoun? The word used in place of noun. So the word you used in place of noun that depend on the noun. According to the noun, we use the pronoun. So suppose a pronoun, if it is masculine, pronoun be suppose noun is masculine, pronoun is masculine. Noun is feminine, pronoun must be feminine. If noun is singular, pronoun must be singular. If noun is plural, pronoun must be plural. So that is the agreement. So what is agreement? Suppose when you write a paragraph or you write something about one person or one thing or one animal, so again and again we are not repeating the noun. So we use the pronoun in place of noun. So that is the agreement. Suppose Charu became happy. I will write for example. Charu became happy when Sima gifted her a toy. Suppose. So here subject or noun is Charu. Okay. For Charu, here you can write that Charu became happy when Sima gifted Charu a toy. So again and again, here means who? Here is Charu. Okay, we will not write that Sima gifted Charu a toy. So same sentence, the noun will not be used twice or thrice. So for noun, again we write the pronoun for the noun. So Charu, it is a name of a girl. So it is feminine. So here also feminine. Suppose here Ram became happy when Sima gifted, here not her, him. Okay, it will change. So according to subject or according to noun, the pronoun will be used. If it is what? Masculine, it is masculine. When it is feminine, it is feminine. Suppose here given the dog ran away when the boy chased it. So here for the dog, pronoun is used it. Okay, when the boy chased the dog, we will not write. For dog we write it, because for animals we write it. Okay, for all animals we write it. So here also what? According to noun, the pronoun is here used it. Okay, then suppose here another thing you know, here we write it, but my dog ran away when Mohesh chased him. So what is difference between these two sentences? Here also dog, here also dog, but here it, here in. Why? There is also a reason. So what is the reason? So when him or his is used for the pets. Suppose here my dog means what? My pet dog. The dog means the normal dog on the street. Okay, the dog ran away when the boy chased it, means it is the street dog. Okay, my dog ran away means it is pet animal. Okay, for pet animals the pronoun will be used him or his. So that is the difference. So while using the pronoun, you must be careful about these things, whether it is pet animal or it is normal animal on the jungle or a street. Okay, so that is the difference. Then suppose another sentence I will write. Dia and Rahul. Dia and Rahul said that they will come early. So here they. So Dia and Rahul is here now. So Dia and Rahul, two persons. So they, that is the plural. So they. So for that plural pronoun is used they. So they said that, sorry, Dia and Rahul said that they will come early. So for the Dia and Rahul, they, though they are two persons, they are plural pronoun. So for that the pronoun also used here. So they. So I said that for masculine pronoun will singular masculine. Singular masculine will used him, he pronoun. Okay, he, him. For singular masculine, he, him, his pronouns will be used. Singular feminine, she, her, her. Okay, plural for I, subject I, me. Okay, me. Then for you, you. Then we. Or this all are what? Pronouns. These all are pronouns. Then again, suppose plural. Plural, we will use they, them. Okay. So for singular masculine, we use he, him, his. Singular feminine, she, her, her, and I, we, me, us, all these are first person. Then plural, they, them. For animals, animals also eat, they. So animal eat, they, them. We use all these pronouns according to the noun. So that is called noun pronoun agreement. Then another thing, use I or me, she or her, he or his, they or them. Another thing where sometimes you feel it is correct but sometimes it is wrong, some rules are there. So Ajit is, suppose Ajit is faster than I. Okay. Ajit is faster than me. So which is correct? It is correct. It is wrong. Ajit is faster than I is incorrect. Always it will be Ajit is faster than me. But this sentence you can write otherwise where it will be correct, that Ajit is faster than I am. Then it will be correct. Okay. Me am is incorrect. So Ajit is faster than me, it is right. Okay. But Ajit is faster than I is incorrect. But if you write Ajit is faster than I am, then it will be again correct. You must remind it. Then suppose Ajit is faster. Ajit is than she. Ajit is faster than her. So Ajit is faster than she is wrong. Faster than her wrong. If you write Ajit is faster than she is, then it will be correct. Okay. Then suppose Ajit is faster than he, it will be wrong. If you will write he is, then it is correct. Or for he, him. So masculine means it will change masculine. So like this you have to remind. Then another is, so when you change it suppose to plural, suppose Ajit is faster than they, will be wrong. Okay, Ajit is faster than they are, will be right. Otherwise you can write Ajit is faster than them, also correct. So me, him, them, correct. Otherwise you have to write I am or he is or they are. If you simply write then I, then he, then they, will be wrong. So these things you must remind that. So this is the noun pronoun agreement. That means, so where you have different types of pronouns, so which pronoun you will use, that will depend on the noun. If the noun is masculine, pronoun will be masculine. Noun is feminine, pronoun will be feminine. If noun is singular, pronoun will be singular. If it is plural, then pronoun also plural. For animal, it will be used. If it is a pet animal, then him or him, her will be used. So these things also you have to remind. That is the difference between the normal animal and the pet animals. Okay, so for two persons, so then them it will be plural noun, and also these things you have to remind. So that is the noun pronoun agreement. That so pronoun must agree in number and gender of the noun it refers to. That means agree. Pronoun must be used according to the noun. It must be agree with the noun. So that is called noun pronoun agreement. So I hope you can understand what is the noun pronoun agreement from this video. Thank you.